Hi, my name is Grace Law. I'm from Cabarrus County, and today I had the great opportunity to interview the head of Cabarrus County Commissioners, Steve Morris. So I'm just going to tell you a few of the questions that I asked him and say his responses. So the first question was, what is your role as the county commissioner? He said that he was responsible for conducting the meetings to ensure that they stay in order. He's also responsible for communicating with the individual board members to make sure that they're up to date on issues that are present to ensure that they're prepared to discuss it at the meetings. He also is responsible for showing up at public appearances on behalf of the board at various functions. The next question I asked him was, how long have you served on the board? And will you run for re-election when your current term expires? He said that he is completing his third year on the board, and he will be up for re-election again next year. The next question I asked him was, what are your local priorities, or what county issues hold the most importance to you? He said that his top priority has been and continues to be job creation and broadening our tax base. He wants to do all things possible to make Cabarrus County an attractive community for people to want to live and do business in. The next question I asked is, are there any long-term concerns that you have about our county? He said that one of the long-term concerns he had was keeping up with the growth of our county. Due to the dramatic increase of population, we therefore have a dramatic increase of students. So, to accommodate those students, Cabarrus County has built 5 new schools. So he said, based on that, overall he wants to maintain a balance between keeping our tax rate low and not encouraging excessive debt as we continue to build these new school facilities. The next question I asked are, what are some of the responsibilities for county governments that you were not aware of when you ran for office? He said that one of the things he was not aware of is the cooperative effort that Cabarrus County has with the Humane Society. He said that Cabarrus County has done a lot of very positive things to do with limiting the amount of euthanized animals and establishing a productive procedure for adoption. Another responsibility that the county has is soil and water conservation. He said that he's focused on protecting the watershed in order to ensure that Cabarrus County stays ecologically sound. The last question that I asked is, what are the hardest decisions that you faced as a county commissioner? He said one of the most controversial discussions that he had was when they had to rename one of our parks for the Vietnam veterans. There was some discussion because we already have a veterans park within our county, and there were some people that didn't want that duplication and others who wanted the special recognition of their loved ones. In the end, it turned out to be perfectly fine. However, it did have the potential to upset people on either side of the situation. So that sums up the questions and the interview with Steve Morris. Thank you.